pediatricians, right? So we all love our pediatricians because our kids see the pediatrician, they get a candy, they get a sticker, they all love our pediatrician. People here with kids, raise their hands. And people here with no kids, raise their hands. All right. People here with no kids, have fun while you can. And people here with kids, you have 30 more minutes to have fun. I guess then you'll be with your kids. But pediatricians, anytime you go see a pediatrician, no matter what the problem is, and take notes, people who don't have kids, anytime you go see a pediatrician, whether it's a cold, or kid can't move his arm, or fell down and had a big laceration on the head, the first time you go see the pediatrician, they're going to say, I'm not worried, it's going to get better. It's going to get better on its own. I'm not going to help it, I'm not going to touch it, I'm not going to do anything. Just take the kid home, let them eat and drink, and it's going to get better on its own. And don't forget the flu shot before you. Don't forget the flu shot before you leave. So we love the pediatrician, so we go home, we don't do anything, and kid is not getting better. I'm not worried because the pediatrician said, I'm not worried. So if they're not worried, I'm not worried. Usually they say we'll keep a closed eye on the patient, we'll keep a closed eye. Not a closed eye, we'll keep a closed eye on the patient. So they're not worried. 1 week goes by, 2 weeks go by, and then kid is not getting better, and you start getting worried because it's your kid, hopefully. So you start getting worried. And then you go back to the pediatrician. It's the second time. Now you won't see the pediatrician getting surprised. Like, it's not like they were expecting kid will get better and now the kid is not better, so now they're scratching. They're relaxed, Oh, he didn't get better? That's fine. I'm not worried. I'm not worried. It's probably just allergies. Well, he's not moving his eyes, probably just allergies. Don't let him eat or drink anything for the next 2 years. And he'll be fine. And if they're really being nice, they'll probably pick an otoscope look in the ears. Usually they don't look into anything else. And they look in the ears. I don't know what they see. But if they're being nice to you, they may look in the ears. I'm not worried. It's probably just allergies. Don't let them eat or drink anything for the next couple of years. If they don't get better, bring them back. And on your way out, get the flu shot and the RSV shot. Okay, maybe that will cure it. So it's allergies. They're hoping in a couple of years with climate change, allergies will get better. It's a Houston, a lot of allergies. So you go home, you're not worried, the kid is not getting better. And then after the prescribed time, you go back to them for follow-up, and kid is not getting better. And the third thing they will tell you is, he'll grow out of it. I'm not worried. It's probably not allergies. He will grow out of it. So don't worry. Just go home, let him eat and drink now. 2 years is a long time not to eat and drink. So let them eat and drink, let them play. And don't forget the flu shot and the HPV shot on the way out. And then by the time you are worried again, it's time for them to see the adult PCP. So they're done with the pediatrician. They tried to get the AI robots to take over the jobs of the pediatricians. The robots were so pissed. Like, our chips cost like $30,000. And all you need to do is tell them it will get better, it's probably allergy, they're going to grow out of it. So you don't need NVIDIA or OpenAI to produce robots to take care of these things. You can just use some Lego parts or maybe leapfrog tablets for these things. Like, you don't need a whole chip, $30,000 worth to take care of these things.